The Microbit is an inexpensive, easy-to-use board that can be used to make fun electronics projects. It has a grid of LEDs and 2 buttons on the front, along with 20 programmable pins. It has some cool features built in that have to be added to many other boards, such as a built-in compass, accelerometer, and temperature sensor. The MakeCode website provides a way to program the Microbit using blocks. On the left side of the screen, the picture of the Microbit gives you an active simulation. Easy-to-use blocks are dropped onto the canvas, making programming a breeze even for the youngest learners. A program can be created simply by dropping a block in like a puzzle. To create our Hello World, we're going to drop a show string block into the On button pressed event. Clicking the A button on the simulation will display our text. By pressing the JavaScript button, we can see the code in JavaScript. This is a great way to begin learning the language. To load the code onto our Microbit, click Download, then browse to the Downloads folder. Drag the hex file that was created to the Microbit drive. Wait for the Microbit to reboot, and then test the program. How easy is that?